Hello everyone, this is Amarnath. Today we are here to explore e4me application in detail. So tap on e4me application and to access it. So after installation, log into the account. So as I have already accessed it, and this access can be done only with the registered number for the e.Vitara purchased. All right. So once after login, you can find the mobile number, right? Details of like name, it can be editable, and the mobile number which is not editable because it is the registered number or the primary number during purchase of the vehicle, and email id can be editable, and all these things can be done. And you'll find list of my vehicles here. Okay, so the VIN number and anything, even if you want to add a vehicle number also, you can add and save it. And apart from this, you can add new vehicle also. For example, if you want to add one more e.Vitara or some other vehicle, you can still add. And this is not only for e.Vitara, maybe as of now it is only for Maruti vehicles. In future it would be added for non-Maruti vehicles too. And the next one, you will find saved charges, and this will explore like one by one. And first you will find the charger option. So the charger option is all about I'll remove the filters. Okay, so for example, based on you can prefer based on the user ratings or 4-star plus, and based on the charging speed, maybe as per your requirement, fast or ultra fast, more than 50 kilowatts. And the charger provider also, for example, if you are specific about Maruti Suzuki, you can select Maruti Suzuki only, and you have n number of chargers across the country. And amenities, for example, if you want a restaurant, if you want to have some food or anything, you can still apply that and tap on apply filters. Okay, so as of now there is nothing nearby, so we'll remove certain things and try to apply now. Yeah, we got 25 nearest charges from our current location. Now we are at Arumbakam, Chennai, and from here you can see the list of so let me click on this. So Nexa AI Chengalpettu. So you have two guns over there, 60 and 60 kilowatt, and you can see even used 24 days ago. The last gun A was used 24 days ago, and the gun B was used 2 days ago. And for example, you have an option pre-book now. Okay, pre-book now, for example, to get this enabled, you need to activate your e-wallet. Then only you will have an option of pre-book now. Like for example, let me show you how to book this. Like for example, now it is already 3. So like for example, let's talk about 5 to book a slot, or you can even select 5 p.m. to maximum of 6 p.m. or 5 to 5:15 p.m., whatever it is. So you can see the estimated price 15 kilowatts and book and pay, and you will find this 30 rupees would be charged initially, and it would be automatically refunded to the customer in the same wallet. Okay, it would be refundable, this 30 rupees for the processing charges. Okay, and so you can just book the slots. Okay, now for example, post adding this, you can make the payment. This is how you can book the slots too. And initiate charging. Once you are the charging point, you can directly initiate the charging, and once connecting the gun and fixing up that, and you can initiate the charging. This is how you can do. And this is all about charges, you can see. And next is trips. trips is all about like you can plan your tour. Like for example, from the current location, I'm planning to Kerala. So let's find how many charges we have. Almost from here to okay. So we have, it is almost like 12 hours 13 minutes, 31 minutes. You can see here. Now you find like one charger applicable. Let me user ratings I have removed. Now you will find a number of. Okay, now you find 16 charges in this route. That is from Arumbakam, Chennai to Kerala, which is almost 700 kilometers. Can you see this? The one which is in the green are said to be available. And for example, if you find anything in the orange, it would be busy. Okay, that is how. And if you want to navigate, you can navigate too. So you can even have the best route. And you have a voiceover also. You can ask her to talk. All right. Let's go back. Okay, so this is how you can plan your trips. Upcoming is like, for example, tomorrow if I'm planning to travel, have scheduled to travel from Chennai to Kerala. So it would pop up there. And ongoing is the current trip, and completed means which is already done. So this is how you can check your travel plan also for the entire month. And next is all about like bookings. So for example, bookings, you can see. So now you have almost 25 nearest charges based on the current location. So which is 5.1 kilometers next to Poplar, Chennai from the current location. So just tap on this. You'll find two guns, which is used 2 days ago and 1 month ago. So let's click on this gun one, and you can pre-book now and initiate charging. So once after reaching the charging point, you can initiate charging. Pre-book, as we have already discussed, you can pre-book your slots. And next is all about like home charger. So home charger, so this particular charger for this booking ID is yet to install. So that is the reason it is showing like this. If not, it would show you as like charging history. So based on that, you will find like how many times you have charged or how many units you have consumed, like the complete trips, all those things, or the charging history you can find here. Okay. And for example, in case you will find like a request for a callback if it is for the installation process, and the service provider details. For example, if you tap on this service provider details, you can see who is the installation partner. So here it is ECB, charging providers, and who is the contact person, and the name and the mobile number too. So for example, if you want to reschedule like installation process or reschedule or something like for the inspection process of the location, you can call this service provider. Okay. And request for a callback is all about like for example, if you need any assistance, you can just tap on the request for a callback. So you will be getting a callback from the service partner. And next is all about like account. As we have already discussed, this would be the primary number which is shown here, and my vehicles. So the list of vehicles that is being added in the primary number. And Maruti Suzuki money is all about like wallet. And to activate this, like you need to enter your email ID, all those things. You will get a verification code in your primary mobile number, as well as to the email ID. So where you can enter a 6-digit verification code, and you can activate this Maruti Suzuki money for e-wallet for charging purpose. The minimum amount that needs to be required for charging is 100 rupees. Okay. So 50 would be for application fee for the first time. And whenever you are initiating like 30, that is booking slots, 30 would be refundable after some time. And save charges is all about like your preference, like a point of interest. Like for example, you're frequently traveling to Kadalur. So you will have certain preferences to save your charges preference. That's what. And charging history, as we have already discussed, this would show if you have connected to so and so charger. This would say what is the total kilowatt consumed. Like for example, if my car or my vehicle have charged to from 20 percentage to 80 percentage, so here it would show like what is the total kilowatt that is being charged, and total carbon dioxide that is being saved. Okay, so because as it doesn't have exhaust pipe, so it is completely saving carbon dioxide without exhaust gases. So this is how so CO2 saved. And next is all about manage users. Manage users is all about you can add a secondary name. So here, for example, if you want to add any other one, you can enter the name, right? Name, enter, and the mobile number you want to give and whom you want to add, and give them the rights. So that is so. Once I have already added this number 9176342995. Once you initiate this, you will get a verification code. Once you add that, log in into that, and you can access E4Me app. And next is all about smart charging. This is the one beautiful part in this E4Me application. So for example, you find set target SOC, that means the state of charging, public charging. So in the public charging, you can set your preference, generally to have a better health of the battery. My suggestion is always to charge up to 80 percentage, not up to 100, right? And never drop your battery less than 20 percentage, which is always recommended. And even for AC also, you can set up to 80 percentage. So you can save your preference too. So you can see here. So similarly, for this also, it is 80% saved. So here you have tap and charge. So tap and charge, add a RFID. So you can enter the RFID tag which you get, and just if you add, so once you reach near the Maruti Suzuki showroom, or either Nexa or workshop, wherever there is a fast charge that is e-chargers available, you can just tap with the RFID tag and initiate the charging. And the next one is a beautiful concept, auto charge. Auto charge is something that whenever you initiate pre-booking, for example, I'm about to reach Kerala around 2 o'clock. Now I want to charge my vehicle around 1:30. So 1:30 to 2:30 I have booked my slot. So if I have booked my slot by 1:30 to 2:30, so the minute I reach there, I can just take out the gun and insert in the car. Now automatically I don't have to initiate charging there. So that is what exactly auto charge. Okay. And next is all about help and support. Help and support is for example, understanding the basic or frequent answer questions, or if you need any support regarding the application or something, you can take that is reach in this number 1800100237, and they're very helpful, which I have already experienced in the last 1 week of time. And that's all about sign out. So thank you so much, and hope you had a wonderful experience with this E4Me application. Thank you so much.